In this video, we're diving into how you can automate your YouTube SEO and repurpose your videos to get more views with less effort. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you grow online without getting bogged down by technicalities. If you've ever struggled with writing titles or descriptions, or if you've wondered how to turn one long video into dozens of social posts, then you're in the right place. So, did you know that some creators turn a single hour-long video into 20 or more pieces of content? They don't work magic. They leverage smart tools that do most of the heavy lifting. So imagine taking a long tutorial, slicing out the best moments, generating compelling titles and descriptions, and scheduling everything across platforms in a matter of minutes. Today, we're gonna walk through how to do exactly that using a tool called Taja AI. Why automate YouTube SEO? Search engine optimization on YouTube goes beyond picking a catchy title. It's about choosing keywords that people actually search for, writing descriptions that both inform and entice, and tagging your video correctly so the algorithm knows where to place it. Manually doing this for every video can be time-consuming and inconsistent. Automation helps you save time. Instead of spending hours researching keywords and drafting descriptions, you can generate optimized text with a few clicks. Stay consistent. Automated tools follow best practices every time, ensuring each video gets equal attention. Focus on content. By offloading SEO tasks, you can spend more energy on creating quality videos. Now, what is Taja AI? Taja AI is a software platform built to assist creators with video repurposing and YouTube optimization. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze your videos, extract highlights, and generate various assets like titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and even short clips. In essence, it serves as an assistant for video marketing, helping you publish more content across more channels without sacrificing quality. Let's go over some highlights of Taja AI. SEO optimization. Taja AI generates keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags tailored to your video's content and target audience. Automated snippets. It identifies key moments in your video and creates shorter versions suitable for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Thumbnail suggestions. The platform can suggest thumbnail designs that align with your branding and the video's subject. Content calendar and scheduling. Plan and schedule posts across multiple platforms directly from Taja's interface. Idea generation. If you're not sure what to create next, Taja can analyze trending topics and suggest new video ideas. Translation and localization. Generate translated subtitles and descriptions to reach a global audience. Performance analytics. Track how your content is performing and receive insights about engagement, watch time, and click-through rates. Now, while these features might sound like overkill if you're just starting out, the beauty of Taja is that you can use as much or as little as you need. So let's explore how to set it up. Setting up your Taja AI account. So first, let's go ahead and get signed up. So by clicking the link down in the description, it's gonna bring you to this page right here. We'll go ahead and click on Get Started for free, and we'll sign up with an email and password, or you can sign up with your Gmail account. So after filling out the email verification, we're met with this, and it's gonna ask us two questions here to kind of ask, what best describes you. We'll go with casual creator. What's your biggest challenge? We'll go ahead and put staying consistent. We'll go ahead and click continue without discount. All right, sweet. And here we are inside of the dashboard, uploading a video and generating SEO assets. Step 1, upload your video. Go ahead and click on the new project button and select the video file that you want to work with. Taja accepts common formats like MP4. If the videos are on YouTube, you can go ahead and paste the URL. Either way, the tool will process the video and create a transcript. Analyze and transcript. Once the upload's complete, Taja automatically transcribes the audio. This transcript becomes a foundation for all its suggestions. You'll see the transcript displayed in a text editor. Take a minute or two to review it and correct any errors. Accurate transcripts improve the quality of titles and descriptions. Step 3, generate titles and descriptions. After reviewing the transcript, click on Generate Titles button. Taja will propose several title options based on the keywords and themes detected in your video. Evaluate them and pick the one that best captures your message while promising value to viewers. Try combining creativity flair with clarity. Next, move on to the Generate Description section. Here, Taja drafts a description that summarizes your video, includes relevant keywords, and adds viewer engagement prompts, such as questions or calls to action. Now, read through the suggestion and edit it to match your style. You might want to add chapters or links to related sources. So, right now they've got a couple demo projects here, which I think will be a better explanation of the project than something that I can go ahead and upload here. So let's go ahead and check out this long form podcast option, because I feel like that's a perfect example of how to use Taja AI, right? It is something like a podcast, which is maybe 30 minutes to an hour long, and it's horizontally filmed. This is going to be a perfect option for this. So let's go ahead and click on demo project. So here we go. It went ahead and created this description here. It's also got chapter markers, which is pretty cool. And here it's got different tags as well. Now, if we scroll down, there's different titles: How I Became the Youngest Billionaire at 25. And you get a score over here as well, kind of what Taja thinks will be the most impactful. We scroll down below. Again, here we've got the description. We go down below that and we've got those tags as well. So if we come up here, we can go ahead and click on generate thumbnails. So if we scroll up here to the top, let's go ahead and view shorts. So here we can go ahead and see the different repurposed content that it created. Now remember, we're starting with a long form horizontal video, and now we've got all these vertical short clips. So as you can see, that's pretty good. It went ahead and added captions and all that. So that's awesome. And it went ahead and gave a little description here, and it says, watch the full video, gives a YouTube link, it gives it another score here, as well as adds some tags. And you scroll through here and we've got all these other videos. So it is super helpful and it's gonna save you a ton of time. Step 4, tag suggestions. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Taja provides a list of recommended tags ordered by relevance and search volume. Choose a mix of broad tags, for example, video marketing, and specific ones, for example, repurpose long videos. Avoid overloading your video with too many tags. Select the most relevant ones. Creating shorts and social clips. Now, one of the most powerful features of Taja AI is its ability to transform long videos into short shareable clips. So here's how it works. Step 1, identify highlights. Taja scans your video for compelling segments. These might be high energy moments, step-by-step demonstrations, or interesting quotes. You'll be presented with a list of suggested clips. Watch them and decide which ones are worth turning into shorts. Step 2, edit and customize. For each selected clip, you can trim the start and end points to ensure that it begins and ends smoothly. Add captions using Taja's built-in subtitle generator. Subtitles are especially important for social platforms where viewers often watch without sound. Step 3, choose format and style. Select the aspect ratio based on the platform that you'll post to. Vertical or 9:16 suits TikTok and Instagram Reels. Square, the 1:1 ratio, can work on Instagram feed or Facebook. And horizontal, the 16:9 can be used to be posted to traditional YouTube. Taja uses AI to reposition the frame if the original was shot horizontally, keeping the speaker centered. Step 4, export and schedule. Once you're happy with the clip, choose your resolution and export. You can download the clip or push it directly to your connected social profiles. If you opt to publish through Taja, add a title, description, and hashtags for each platform. Then schedule the post for the time that your audience is most active. Thumbnail and graphic generation. So thumbnails act like mini billboards for your videos. Great thumbnail stops the scroll and sparks curiosity. Taja offers a basic thumbnail generator that pulls frames from your video or uses stock backgrounds combined with bold text. While it's not as advanced as dedicated design software, it's useful for quickly producing cohesive visuals. To create a thumbnail, select a frame from your video or upload your own background. You can use Taja's text templates to add a title or question. Pick colors that contrast with the background and align with your brand. Add graphical elements like arrows or shapes sparingly, enough to draw attention without cluttering the image. After generating a thumbnail, you can download it or attach it to your scheduled YouTube post. Using the content calendar. Consistency is key in building an audience. Taja's content calendar helps you plan and visualize when your videos and shorts will go live. You can drag and drop items on different days, see your posting frequency at a glance, and avoid gaps or overlaps. Here's how to make the most of it. Batch creation. Produce multiple videos or clips in one session and spread them out over time. Mix content types. Alternate between long videos, short clips, community posts, and live streams. Look ahead. If you know a seasonal event or product launch is coming, schedule related content in advance. Exploring idea generation and trends. When reviewing ideas, consider your audience. Will this topic resonate with them? Does it solve a problem they actually care about? Stay authentic. Don't chase every trend. Choose ideas that fit your expertise and brand voice. Plan series. If an idea has multiple facets, plan a series of short videos instead of cramming everything into one. Localization and translation. Taja can translate titles, descriptions, and captions into multiple languages. When using translation features, make sure to select languages relevant to your audience. Check your YouTube analytics to see where viewers are located. Localize, don't just translate. Cultural references and idioms may not make sense in another language. Adjust phrasing to maintain the original meaning. Provide multiple subtitles. Now on YouTube, you can upload several subtitle files for different languages. Taja generates these files for you. By offering multilingual content, you show inclusivity and tap into new markets without creating separate videos. Reviewing performance analytics. Taja includes basic analytics that help you understand how your content is performing. You'll see metrics like views, watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. Use these insights to adjust your strategy. Compare clips. Which short clips drove the most views or subscribers? Analyze what made them successful. Topic, the hook, or the visual style. Monitor drop-off points. So look for moments in your long videos where viewers stop watching. This data helps you refine your editing and presentation. Experiment with posting times. Try publishing at different times and compare engagement levels. Remember, data isn't there to criticize you. It's a tool to help you grow. Pros and cons of Taja AI. Advantages. Comprehensive feature set. From SEO suggestions to clip creation and scheduling, Taja covers a wide range of needs in one platform. Time efficiency. Automating repetitive tasks frees up hours that you can spend brainstorming and filming. Guided creativity. Idea generation and trend analysis can kickstart your brainstorming process when you're out of ideas. Multi-platform support. Schedule content across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more, keeping your social media presence consistent. Drawbacks. Processing speed. Depending on your video length and internet speed, analysis can take longer than expected, so plan accordingly. Learning curve. With so many features, Taja might feel overwhelming at first. Start with basic SEO and clips and explore other features gradually. Limited customization. The automated titles and descriptions sometimes lack personal flair. Always review and modify them to reflect your voice. Cost. Free trials usually restrict the number of projects. Subscriptions can be pricey for beginners, so evaluate whether the time savings justify the expense. Understanding these pros and cons will help you decide how Taja fits into your workflow. Best practices for success. Even the best tool won't help if you don't apply good content practices. So here are a few final tips. Focus on value. Whether it's a long video or a short clip, make sure you're answering a question, solving a problem, or entertaining your audience. Maintain your voice. AI assists with structure and optimization, but your personality makes your content unique. Don't let automation sanitize your tone. Experiment and adapt. Test different titles, hooks, and posting schedules. Let your data guide your decisions rather than assumptions. Plan ahead. Use Taja's calendars to map out your content strategy weeks or even months in advance. This reduces last-minute stress and ensures consistent posting. So automating YouTube SEO and repurposing videos might seem like advanced marketing tactics, but tools like Taja AI make them accessible to creators at any level. By handling repetitive tasks such as drafting descriptions and tagging videos, Taja allows you to concentrate on what you enjoy, creating meaningful content. Its ability to identify highlights and turn them into short clips can multiply your reach across multiple platforms without extra filming. So as you test out Taja, remember that no AI is perfect. You should always review and personalize the suggested titles, descriptions, and clips. Now, if this tutorial has sparked any ideas for your own channel, I encourage you to give Taja a try and see how it fits into your workflow. Now, if you want to get started with Taja AI, again, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us and allows us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. But other than that, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.